Hi, this is Emma from Centered Within, and this is Animal Magic. I'm doing a psychic reading for your birds. Is there a message for them? Are they trying to tell you something? We'll just see what comes through. Pandora's gift. It's interesting that she's got like a masked bird. This card is jumping out. Trust yourself. This came through with the rabbit, but there's a difference in this. The animals have to rely on instinct, and they live in the moment, and they do have to trust themselves. Otherwise, how do they survive? They do have to trust. They trust you, and they're asking. They put so much trust in you. It's time for you. They have to trust you because obviously you clean out their cage, you give them water, give them their feed, whatever it is that they use. They trust you. They know you're going to do it. They have got no other reason to say so. But what they're saying to you is you put trust in yourself. Just because something's happened doesn't mean that it's, just because what once happened doesn't mean it's going to happen again. Every single day they know you're going to do this, you're going to do that. They just know it and they just trust it. And yes, things may have happened, or you know of things that have happened, or a friend is going through, or someone you know that's going through. But trust yourself that what you're doing is right. Don't wait for something bad to happen. Trust that it's going to be good. Trust that it's going to be right. Don't sit and wait. The bird never sits there and waits, think, oh, is today the day I'm not going to get fed? Is today the day I'm not going to get water? Is today the day I'm not going to have time out of my cage? They just know and they trust. So instead of sitting back and waiting for the bad thing to happen, trust that it's going to be okay. And even if things do happen, that you are going to be okay going through that process. So instead of waiting for everything to crumble and to finish or to go wrong, just to keep on going in the trust that it's going to go right. And if things don't 100% go right, it's still going to be okay because you're still going to get through that process. Just seeing if there's anything else that needs to come through. Sorry, that's why I've gone quiet, because I thought something was coming through, but no, I think that's it. Sending you so much love. Bye.